Hello, Professor Radigan. My name is Andrea Tekac, and I love teaching sixth grade science and social studies. Today's middle schoolers have grown up with technology literally at their fingertips. However, success requires more than just knowing how to use their devices. It requires the knowledge and skills to think critically, communicate effectively, collaborate with others, and navigate the digital information that they are surrounded by responsibly. A challenge educators encounter today is ensuring that technology's purpose remains a tool rather than a replacement of knowledge. We live in the information age and are fortunate, really, to implement technology in very exciting and engaging and challenging and authentic ways to teach essential 21st century skills. For example, students can develop critical thinking by evaluating online sources, creativity by designing digital presentations or videos, communication through collaborative platforms, and problem solving by tackling authentic and real challenges. Using technology in the classroom also must factor, though, our students' digital literacy skills. Researching reliable sources, not just going to Facebook or TikTok, recognizing misinformation, providing or protecting personal safety and privacy, communicating respectfully online, and using tools ethically are all vital skills required to become informed and responsible digital citizens. So, by embedding 21st century skills within engaging in appropriate uses of technology, today's middle school teachers prepare students for high school, future careers, and really lifelong learning. Looking ahead, I'm looking forward to learning more about, yes, the positives, but also the consequential negatives regarding the uses of technology in our classrooms. Thank you.